I'm Chad Toyne with another Chart Talk from Trader PhD Ag Marketing. Boy, have we had quite the volatile trade in the grain market, specifically in corn and soybeans. We are in a weather market, which means volatility is the game. It is what spurred the multi-week rally in grains that followed a climax bottom. I've been anticipating a climax bottom for quite some time that would give another support pointing for corn. It was on May 17 that I said grains were exhibiting signs of a climax bottom. That's high volatility moving too far too fast. A clear example of this move is on the December 23 corn chart. After trending lower for much of the last year, we began to see the setup of a double dip, which we explained in our double dip chart talk. On May 3, we had the first dip, followed by a short recovery before turning lower again. And on May 18, we finished the second dip, which put in a climax bottom. Leading up to that bottom, the market was beaten down by a thread of bearish news. We were coming out of the winter with decent soil moisture. Acres were expected to be higher with estimates of a bumper corn crop. There wasn't anything bullish to help the buyers. The selling from that bearish trifecta became extreme and a low was made. Another way to think of a climax in the market is the end of a bull or bear market cycle by escalated volume and sharp price movements. As pessimism accelerated the downtrend, an oversupply of sellers caused the rubber band to snap. I also mentioned at the time that, though rare, it would not rule out a V bottom. Not long after putting in a climax bottom, the market caught a whiff of drying conditions in the Corn Belt that only got worse. Forecasts turned drier and the weather market was on. The market soon ripped higher and the chart formed a V shape as sellers got kicked out of the market and extreme buying followed. For quite some time, we were patient, not hitting the sell button in a downtrend, and being patient can often pay off. Thanks for listening. I'm Chad Toyne, and this has been Trader PhD.